Spotted the queen straight away when inspecting this nucleus hive. You can see, I don't know if it's easy to see, but at the end of the J part of my tool, just here, there's the queen. Just at the tip there. I'm going to put this back now and I'm going to check to see that she's laying. G'day, my name's Z from Z's Bees. I'm a beekeeper based in the Southern Highlands of New South Wales. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. Probably a little hard for you to see there, but we've got some fresh brood being laid, some cap brood. This is really exciting to see because this was actually a virgin queen nucleus from a cast swarm, and they actually absconded the nucleus in the first instance, but I re-caught them, and I can see the queen is now mated and laying. Excellent news. This is another nucleus hive that was also a cast swarm, and maybe a little hard to see, but there's larvae and cap brood obviously. Looking really good. I didn't spot the queen from my quick check, but I obviously know that there's one in there. And again, it was a cast swarm, so unmated. Looks like we have two successful mating of queens. So that's two nucleus hives inspected. Again, both were cast swarms, both have mated. We see new larvae, cap brood, honey stores. Also one queen spotted, one not, but I know the queen's in both. It's time now to get started on this flow hive. Only just added this super. It's been a very late start to the season. Super's added. They're also brand new flow hive frames, and sometimes the bees don't take to them, so it's only been about a week, but it'll be interesting to see how they've progressed. Alright, let's get started. Doesn't really look like there's much progress. I put those little dabs of wax cappings in myself, but I do see the bees are starting to explore. I'm going to give it, actually, no, I do see a little bit of filling right down the bottom there. It's really hard to tell, very early start. Got a lot of resource building up here. Some capped honey at the top, bunch of uncapped in the middle. This is all the way on the outer edge. Looking pretty good. Don't see any signs of pests at this stage. I'm getting some quite upset bees. Just going to smoke them a little more. And I'm also smelling bananas, so they're stinging my veil at the moment. I might also put my gloves on at this point, just to avoid unnecessary pain. You can see a whole lot of capped brood cells here, looking really good. Pretty regular pattern as well, which is nice. think it's pretty fair to say that I'm glad I put the gloves on. You can see they're quite upset with me despite smoking. The temperament of this hive, is usually really quite good. I'm not seeing any evidence of pests or anything like that, so I think they're just upset due to the season, and you know, they're becoming into their own now and becoming quite productive, which is when they'll also get quite defensive of the hive. But I mean, this is, you know, quite manageable really, and they're settling down reasonably fast, so it's fine. We'll just continue. Very cranky. Smoking them some more hides the attack pheromone. I don't normally smoke anywhere near as much as this, but they're obviously quite angry. So we'll just finish this inspection rather quickly. I think they just want to get back to business on a nice sunny day. I think this is what they had in mind. This frame is quite heavy. There's not a lot of capped honey, but it's quite full, and about to be capped, I'd say. Almost every cell there. There's resources, a lot going on here too. Alright, at this stage they're just trying to tell me that I should go, and that's a good thing because I'm done here. So I'm just going to smoke them again just to send them back down, to make it easier for me to put the parts back on top. Happy to say in this inspection at my home apiary today that we've inspected 2 nucleus hives. Again, they were both cast swarms. That means that the queen was a virgin. They've both gone out, mated, both laying. This is a really good sign. I'm quite sure that these will be successful, and probably, judging by the look of them, probably within a matter of weeks I'll be relocating them into my other apiary, as I don't want to have too many full hives here. This is my nursery. I'll move them out, give them a new permanent home in my larger apiary, and make space for some probably some other late season cast swarms. Although at this time they're usually quite small. Hopefully I'm not unhealthy, but what I do is I capture them, and if they're really small, I locate the queen, I kill the queen, and then I merge the colonies together. This way we can build up a stronger sized colony, and hope that they'll be more successful.